So over here, if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then you can see that there's a bit of snapping going on. If I were to click and drag this, then you can see that it snaps it into place right here. Over here as well, if I were to go around, it snaps it into place right here. So this is quite handy because you don't actually have any gaps in between and it stays right in position. But sometimes you may want to go around and make precise placements, and snapping might just get in the way of that. So if you want to go around and turn that off, you can go around onto the timeline menu right here. And you can see that snap is turned on right now. So if I were to go around and disable this, then snapping is not there anymore. And you can see that you can freely move around the clips as you like right here. But you might leave small gaps like this, as you can see. So if I were to go around and zoom that, then you can see that there are small gaps right here, which snapping prevents. So you want to enable snapping again, then you can go to timeline, turn on snap, and then what happens is that it goes and gets enabled again just like this. And that is how you can work around with turning off snapping on or off as per how you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.